We are at Paradise Beach today in Cozumel, Mexico. We've never been here before, so we're gonna see all the things that you can get. They have all the food, all the drinks, that you get a bed right beside a gorgeous, gorgeous pool. Let's go have some fun. So the last few times we've been to Cozumel, Mexico, we have been to Playa Maya, and to be honest, it wasn't the same the last time we went, so we decided to change things up and try something new, and so far, so good. So don't get me wrong, we still had a fun time, but the last time we went, the pool was green, it wasn't as clean as it was before, there was less options because they started upcharging for different things that we got with the packages last time. So we just wanted to try something new for a change, and so far, it looks really, really nice. So right off the bat, it's nicer because of the fact that you have a server with you, and that little Cabana thing that we had got, and they give you a menu with all the drinks and all the food, and there's a lot of food options that you can get and a lot of drinks options you can get. I'm already super excited. I'm super excited how the day is gonna go. There is a lot of bees, but that's just to be expected because there's always a lot of bees in Mexico, any place we go. But I haven't got stung yet, so that's a good thing, right? This place is amazing. The servers are just with you all the time. They know your names really fast. They'll get you whatever you want. The food menu is really good. The drink menu is really good. This Cabana / bed thing, so comfortable. It's like the best place ever. I wish I had a place like this at my house because it's so nice. Yeah, and it's only been like 2 hours and just so relaxed. I love this place. So we haven't gone to the beach yet, so we're gonna try and see what the beach has, especially the water park that they have. Looks really cool. Let's go look at it. So if you or your little ones need a life vest or anything like that, they do have them at this little hut where you can get life vest and snorkel gear. So there you go. And they do have a lot of beach chairs to pick from while you're on the beach, and they all have, or a lot of them, have umbrellas on them for you to use. Do make sure you grab a towel before leaving your cruise ship because they do not have towels here. So make sure you do grab a towel before you come here, which is not a big deal, but just a heads up, bring a towel. This is the beach water park area that you can go on. That looks like a lot of fun. Some of us are going, some of us are not. I am not going because she does not want to go, but the other ones are. So we'll let them tell you how it is when they come back from doing it. They have banana boats on jet skis over there. They have all sorts of fun stuff on this water park. And then there's a big dock with swings at the end of it for pictures over there. Long dock. This looks like a lot of fun. A lot of fun. So their shrimp cocktail thing that they have comes in this bowl like that, and it comes pre-tailed, so none of the things have tails on them, but it's like already in the cocktail sauce. They're so good. It's the second one I've had. They are delicious. Highly recommend the shrimp cocktail if you come here. Also, just a tip, when you're leaving the ships, the taxis, ours cost about $36 one way, and then they also try to get you to do a round trip, which basically says that they'll bring you and then they'll stay at wherever your location is for however long you're going to be there, and then they'll bring you back. It's more pricey than just getting another taxi to go back. They try to say, oh, there's not going to be any, or there might not be any taxis when you're ready to leave, which when we came here, there was a lot of taxis just sitting out there. So I don't know how true that is. I'll let you know. I'll update you when we're trying to leave if there's any taxis out there. But the staying here all day was about $150 for round trip for here and there, and then them just stay out there for whenever we're about to leave. He did ask how long we were going to stay here though, so if you don't know how long you're going to stay here, I would just wait and get another one-way, which is another $36 back to the ship. I'm also going to tell you this habanero mango margarita. If you like spicy stuff, it's a little bit spicy because it has the habaneros in it. It is delicious. Like, this is my third one, I think. It is delicious. It is so good. Highly recommend a habanero mango margarita. Delicious. So for food, I got mahi. Little one got Mexican French fries, even though they're just regular French fries. A cheese pizza. And then we also got, what is this, volcano nachos? They all look really good. Let's give them a try. So I'm gonna try my mahi, and it comes with rice and like a makeshift salad, but looks good. I love me mahi. That's really good.
No, I want the drum myself.
Oh, that's really good. Yummy. If you don't have the ultimate package thing, you can get food for a price. They do have different prices on their menu. But if you get the ultimate package, whatever it is, it's included. So all the food you want is included. You can get as much or as little as you want, and it's so nice. All the food was delicious. We've ordered more because all the food was so good. This is like the best place ever. The best place in Cozumel that we have been to, by far. This pool is amazing, by the way. Amazing. I highly suggest this place. I don't know if I said that yet or not. Highly suggest this place. So relaxing. I don't want to leave, but I have to. We have to go back on the boat at some point. Not right now, though. Not right now. So Paradise Beach was amazing. I definitely highly suggest coming out here because, I mean, it is just so nice, so relaxing. The servers are really nice and amazing. The beach was really nice. The pool was amazing and not cold. It was just so good. So I will see you guys next time. Remember to love yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.